Our pharmaceutical production plant in Tomsk has been working on the pharmaceutical market for more than 20 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP to produce our products. At the general meeting on the development of production, the chief engineer suggested upgrading the line for tablet dedusting, which included a metal detector. The engineer specified that last month, they had a breakdown of the metal separator for tablet and capsule inspection, which detects magnetic and non-magnetic metal contaminants and eliminates them. The unit needed to be purchased soon, because we were planning to start producing a new batch of inflammatory disease capsules in a month, and we are using the capsule separator for now. However, it is necessary to install a metal detector in the capsule production area as well. I, as the chief technologist of the plant, was instructed to find and purchase the unit within a month, since a new supply of raw materials was planned. The chief engineer of our plant recommended that I first contact the manufacturers of the equipment. They provide warranty service, drawings, operation manuals, mounting and installation of produced equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company online in Italy, which produces pharmaceutical equipment, went to their website, and wrote a letter, in which I indicated the equipment I wanted to buy, and asked for a specific machine. A week later I received the answer, that they no longer made such machines, but they could develop and produce them, if desired, by the end of next year. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for a machine from other pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers. The manager said that she had passed the request on to the design department, and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seemed strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Absolutely no business approach to the customer. I refused to look for the pill separator on my own, and then I remembered that at the Forum of Producers of Equipment for the Pharmaceutical Industry in Moscow, I met a specialist who was engaged in the selection and supply of equipment for production of medicines. I found his business card, and before contacting him I decided to check whether he really engaged in the supply of machines for the pharmaceutical industry. In order to do this I found his company's website, and carefully studied the information on it. I liked that the website was up to date, with video clips of the equipment, and many contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company has been on the pharmaceutical equipment supply market for a long time, and this is a good reason to say that it is successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me, and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for a state-of-the-art metal detector for the capsule manufacturing area. He suggested the option of a medication preparation unit that was popular with customers and proven in production. I agreed to consider it. The manager sent me an email with the passport, instructions for use of the equipment, and a video demonstration of the machine. Floor standing, compact equipment, button control of the process, separation unit and metal parts in contact with capsules, made entirely of stainless steel. The chief engineer liked the unit, and we signed a contract to supply a pharmaceutical metal separator. A month later, the separator was delivered to production, and we were quickly able to install it and operate it efficiently. We were pleased with the pharmaceutical metal detector offered. I probably would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the route of selecting the equipment myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek the help of a professional in selecting a laboratory press for the manufacture of tablets was the right one. I plan to use the services of a specialist from this firm in purchasing pharmaceutical equipment in the future. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to make us continue to think so.